Good morning, students. Now we'll continue with the application of trigonometry. This first sum today is a boy is 1.5 meter tall. This is a boy 1.5 meter tall is standing at some distance from the building which is 30 meter tall. Building length is 30 meter. The angle of elevation from his eyes is 30 degree, 60 degree. From increases from 30 to 60 when he walks towards the building. This was 30, this was 60. As and when will approach towards the building, the angle will increase. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Meaning by we have to find ED, or we can say we have to find X. ED is X, this is Y. Now there are two right angle triangle. First right angle triangle is ABD and second right angle triangle is AEB. So here we will write AB upon DC is equal to tangent 60. Why we will take AB? Because he is looking from the eye, so that he has to be subtracted. So AB will be 30 minus 1.5, DC is Y, tangent 60 is root 3, so 28.5, so 28.5 by Y is equal to under root 3, so Y is equal to Y will be equal to 28.5 under root 3. So now we have a second triangle. In this triangle ABE, again AB upon EB is equal to tangent 30, 28.5 by X plus Y is equal to 1 by root 3. X plus Y is equal to 28 root 3, and the value of Y we have to find X, so we'll find from here Y 28.3 minus X, this is 1, 2. So we will, what we will do, we will find that value which we don't have to find, meaning by we have to find the value of X. So we will find Y from both the sides. When we equate, Y will be get eliminated and we'll get X. So again we'll find the value which we are not supposed to find. From 1 and 2, 28.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus X. So 28.5 is equal to 28.5 into 3 minus root 3x. So it will be root 3x is equal to 28.5 minus 28.5. This is root 3. This is 28.5 root 3. So root 3x is equal to 28.5 is common, root 3 minus 1, x is equal to into 3 into 2, x is equal to 28.5 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 into root 3, so 28, 56, 57 root 3 by 3. This will be 19 root 3 is from the point on a ground, the angle of elevation, the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. This is a transmission tower. The angle at the top and the bottom of a transmission tower fixed on 20-meter high building. This is building which is 20 meter. This is transmission. Transmission is 45 and 60. This angle is 45 and this angle is 60. Find the height of tower. Point and angle bottom and top of a transmission tower, and we have to find the transmission tower is x and this will take y. Again we have a two right angle triangle is ABD, where AB upon BD is equal to again tangent 45, AB 20 upon DB is equal to 1, DB is equal to 20. Second triangle is triangle EDB. EB upon DB is equal to tangent 60. EB x plus 20 by 20 is equal to tangent 60. X plus 20 by 20 is equal to root 3. X is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. 20 into root 3 minus 1, that can be answered, or 20 into 0.732, that will be 64 and 14, 14.64 meter. Third, question number third is the angle of elevation top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree. There is a tower and this is a building. The angle of elevation of top of a from the top, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation top of a tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of building. This is taken as x, this is taken as y. So there are two right angle triangles, triangle DCB is DC upon BC is equal to tangent 60, DC 50 upon y is equal to root 3, so y is equal to 50 root 3. This is one. Second is we will take the triangle ABC is AB upon BC is equal to tangent 30 AB x by BC, y tangent 30 is 1 by root 3, x is equal to y by root 3. Basically we have to find the value of x, so we should find here y. So y is equal to x by root 3. From 1 and 2 both the values are y by 50 root 3 is equal to x by root 3 x root 3. So x is equal to 50 by 3, 16 2 by 3, 4. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite to the either side of a road. Two poles standing either side of a road. They are 80 meter apart. Pole, pole. From a point between them, road angle of elevation top of a pole are 30 and 60. This is 60 and this is 30. And pole are of equal height. Let's say the height of pole are x and BC is y and CD is, you can take 80 minus 1. So now we have two right angle triangles, triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tangent 30, x by y is equal to 1 by root 3. We have to find the value of x, so we'll find here y, x root 3 is equal to, this is 1. Second, triangle EDC, ED upon CD is equal to tangent 60, x by 80 minus y is equal to root 3. So x root 3 is equal to 80 minus y. So y is equal to 80 minus x root 3. So both the values are of y. So x root 3 is equal to 80 minus x root 3. 2x root 3 is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 by 2 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. This is 40. This will be 40 root 3 by 3. From 1 and 2, 80 root 3 minus x by root 3. 3x is equal to 80 root 3 minus x. 4x is equal to 80 root 3. X is equal to 20 root 3. So that is our answer. One more sum. Another sum is, as observer from the top of 75-meter lighthouse from the sea level. This is a lighthouse which is 70 feet above. The angle of depression of ships are 45 and 30. Depression you have to show here. This is 30 degree and this is 45 and this is 30. Question is, If the shapes are exactly behind each other in same side, they are on same side, find the distance between two ships. We have to find distance x. We'll take this as also y. So lighthouse is 75, ships are angle of elevation are 40 and 45 and 30. So we have to find a distance between two ships A and B. We have to find distance between A, B, or we have to find x. We have two right angle triangles. First is DBC, that is DC upon BC is equal to tangent 45. DC 75 by BCY is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 75. This is 1. Now we have to take triangle DCA. In DCA we'll write DC upon AC is equal to tangent 30. DC is 75. This is x plus y. It is 1 root 3. So x plus y is equal to 75 root 3, and the value of y is given 75. X plus 75 is equal to 75 root 3. X is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75, or 75 root 3 minus 1. That will be our answer. So that is all for today. Still you have a doubt, you can call me at my number. Feel free to ask your doubt, so you should not face any problem. Thank you.